Udah mbak.
Enak.
Bakpia apa itu rasanya Gap?
Bakpia apa? Patuk.
Rasa kacang hijau Gap ya? Ini orang Jogja ini.
Iya, harus dicoba.
Harus dicoba ya. Dia lagi bikin teh celup.
Buatan
Oh, teh tarik. Ya.
buatan Maya. Nyanyi gue.
Coba nyanyi.
Nanti ditarik-tarik.
Oh, ininya ditarik-tarik. Oh, gitu. Ya.
Niner, QNH 1016. Sequencing number 1 on arrival, continue descend to 10,000. Report reaching.
10,000, report reaching. Proceed to Bravo number data. Line Tanah 60.
Wing Sabadi 1718 ready descend, establish contact Wirya.
Okay, Abadi 1718, descend to 8,000 initial, over to Wirya Tower. Negative reported traffic below.
Descend 8000, Orbit Wings 1718. Terima kasih.
Sami-sami. Papa Kilo Romeo Tango November, Bandung, report position.
Okay, we
Wirya, Wing Sabadi 1718. We are descend to 8000 clear by Bandung.
Wing Saudi 1718, proceed to point Thomas, report over point Thomas.
Proceed to Thomas, report Thomas, Wing 1718.
Lancer 960, if you read me, radar separation route, contact to Bandung approach, schedule landing.
Para penumpang kami yang terhormat, dalam waktu beberapa saat lagi kita akan segera mendarat di Bandar Udara
Project,
Wirya
please.
di Tasikmalaya. Waktu setempat telah menunjukkan
Seatbelt on, landing light, altimeter 1015. Cabin attitude setting normal.
Kami mohon kepada Anda untuk kembali ke tempat duduk, mengenakan
Check is
sabuk
complete.
pengaman, menegakkan sandaran tempat duduk, melipat meja di depan Anda, dan membuka penutup jendela, menyimpan dengan baik bagasi Anda di bawah kursi atau di tempat bagasi di atas. Setelah pesawat ini mendarat, kami mohon kepada Anda untuk tetap duduk sampai lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman dipadamkan dan pesawat berhenti dengan sempurna. Terima kasih. The passengers within a few minutes shall be landing at Wiryadinata Airport of Tasikmalaya. The local time now is 11 minutes past 10 a.m. There is no time difference between Tasikmalaya and Jakarta. Please return your seat, passenger seat belt. Put your seat back in the appropriate position. Luggage right table in place and open the window shutter. Please ensure the table luggage and your handbag are secured under your seat.
Oh, entah sampai kapan ku harus bertahan.
Speed auto aja.
Cek. Badek.
Oke, bin ready.
Terima kasih. Bapak Uniform November, check distance to Wirya.
15 yang station.
Uniform November, say again.
Please say again, sir, follow Uniform November.
Bapak Kilo India Uniform November, check distance to Wirya.
15 nautical mile, passing 6,500 to 8,500, Papa Uniform November.
Bapak Uniform November, report over Wirya 8,500.
Next call on Wirya 8,500, Papa Uniform November.
Wing Saudi 1718, continue approach, report point 53.
Report point 53, continue approach, thank you. Langsung aja ya. Yep. 2700 ya. Cek. Visual. Cek.
Nanti di 53 kita flap ya.
Cek.
Lima 50 TSY itu 1,5 mile. Ya, runway sebelah kanan. Oh, bambinya doang. Continue 26 ya.
Cek.
Lap 15.
Speed check 550. 140 Magenta.
Wind 53 yuk, bilang yuk.
Wing Sabari 1718.53.
Wing Saudi 1718, continue, report base, correction, continue, report right base 15.
Continue report right base 15, wings 1718.
Alstar.
Cek.
Gue masukin 1600 langsung ya.
Cek.
Maintain dulu. Landing gear down.
Speed check gears down.
Not trigger.
Gears down. Cek.
Flaps 30.
Speed check flaps 30.
05.
104.
Continue before landing checklist.
Landing gear.
Down 3 green.
Flaps
30.
Power management.
Take off.
Tell you.
Low speed.
IC OLED.
Off.
S OLED.
On.
Check this one.
Bapak Uniform November Wirya, report your position.
Position 3 nautical meter your station, sir.
Bapak Uniform November confirm 8500.
Wow.
Roger, Uniform November report over Wirya 8500.
Kira Uniform November now for head to your station 8500.
Bapak Uniform November continue heading to Malangbong, report over Malangbong.
Kira to Malangbong, next for Malangbong, Uniform November.
Kelihatan ya.
Ini.
Right base.
Wing Sabari 18. Correction. Wings 1718. Right base. Runway inside.
Wing Saudi 1718, continue report final.
Continue report final. Wings 1718.
Tarik 21 aja deh.
Cek.
Langsung dekor altitude-nya ya. 51 ya.
Cek. Wing Saudi 1718 final.
Wing Saudi 1718 surface wind calm. Continue runway 15 is clear.
Runway 15 is clear. Wing Sabadi 1718 Papa Kilo Whiskey Hotel Foxtrot, and we have 45 POB.
Ada berapa? GCP standby.
Whiskey Hotel Foxtrot, power 54 BOB, Wirya Tower.
Kenapa ya?
Ini kurang lurus kali.
Iya.
Harus pakai yang direct to itu.
Enggak, biasanya nggak begitu bro. Stabil aja visual ya.
Syria, Uniform November on bearing 344, 5 nautical mile out from your station.
Bapak Uniform November, try contact Bandung approach, report to 9 establish.
Ada contact Bandung approach, call establish Uniform November. Syria Tower, Papa Kilo di Uniform November, we have established contact with Bandung approach. Terima kasih mas.
Bapak Uniform November, contact Bandung, happy landing to Husen. Wing Saudi 1718,
3 kilo
related
enggak
to
nih.
Niner, make 180 turn present position. Taxi to apron, follow parking master.
180 present position. Follow master wings 1718.